Would you like to create professional product photos for your e-commerce products in just minutes? Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to do it using Google's latest model that you've probably seen all over social media, Nano Banana. First, open Gemini, start a new chat, and make sure the 2.5 flash model is selected. Then click the image button to get ready for image generation. Now, take a photo of the product you want to sell. It doesn't have to be professional. Your phone camera is more than enough. For example, I'm using the Lego wave artwork sitting right in front of me. I drag and drop the casual photo I just took into Gemini, but you can also upload it using the plus button on the left. Next, we write a simple prompt to place the product in the setting we want. I'll put my exact prompt in the video description so you can use it too. Final step, hit enter, and that's it. Gemini and Nano Banana will take care of everything for you. Now let's try some more complex examples. I found a random photo of a hat on Google Images, and its patterns look pretty intricate. I upload the image and write that I want to see this hat on a man sitting on the ground in a garden. And here it is. It's incredible how well it keeps all those details. Let's take it a step further and add a t-shirt to this man. I picked a very loud and complicated design on purpose. I simply write that I want the t-shirt on the man and hit enter. And here it is. Once again, the details are amazing. To show you the results more clearly, let's try again with a simpler t-shirt. Oh, we got an error this time. No problem. These occasional errors happen due to server load. Let's retry. I upload the photo again, write my request, wait a bit, and another fantastic result. The t-shirt has been placed perfectly on our model. If you also want to make your product photos look professional in just a few minutes, you need to try this method. And of course, don't forget to like this video, leave a comment, and subscribe for more content like this.